Alright, hi. I want to do a pretty quick tutorial on how to install Elixir on Windows. So I just went through some trouble of having to install it, and I would like to preface with, if you already have had Elixir installed on your computer before, it might be a good idea to uninstall and then reinstall it. And I mean like actually uninstall it. In this case, we're just going to be reinstalling it after I have just uninstalled it, which I've learned that let me just get into this. So to install Elixir, we'd go and search for like Elixir programming language on Google. We'd go to Elixir's site, we'd go and install, and then we can install the Windows edition and download the installer, which I did that a little while ago. And then we're going to have to also go and get Erlang, which is a thing for it provides a Beam virtual machine that Elixir runs on. So then to be able to make this all work, we're going to go ahead and install Erlang first. This OTP win. And I think that my Microsoft DLL is already there, so I'm just going to skip that. And say next, and install. And then we wait, and we wait, and we wait, and we wait. We continue waiting until the end of the installation, as it is meant to end. There it goes. And then we're going to go and get the installer for Elixir. We're going to run that. Elixir web setup. Say next, then we're going to say next, then we're going to say next, and then we're going to install. Then we're going to say next. Yep. We just basically said yes to everything. And now we should be able to run Elixir. So we open up a command prompt. And we can go and say something like iex.bat, which if you're in Linux, you just have to say iex-s-mix. In this, we're going to say iex.bat. Could also do -x mix, probably. But we're just going to open up iex. We're an interactive Elixir. And so here, now we can do all sorts of cool Elixir things. Let's see if there's like a clear. No. There's no clear on this. So here's an Elixir thing. Let's say that we have a list of numbers, and it's going to go from 0 to 1,000,000. So we got our list of numbers. And then let's enum.map our list of numbers. On Linux, you can hit tab and then you have like complete. And we're going to say on this list of numbers, we're going to have some function iterate on the number, where we're going to say that we're going to take the number and we're going to say the number was, and we're going to interpolate the number and end. And so then we should get back a big list of numbers. This might take a while because there's 1,000,000 numbers. So there's a way that we could make this a lot faster, actually. So you see that took quite a bit of time, and then we get back the number was. So if we wanted to make this faster, we could do this interesting thing with Elixir called a task.async stream. And then we're going to pipe the output of this into enum.toList. Should be a little faster. Maybe it's about the same amount of time. I don't know. Oh, hey, there we go. Whole bunch of numbers. Again, in a list, but yeah, so this is kind of a, I don't know, it's supposed to be like a little first tutorial on Elixir. So just wanted to show this. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.